I just want to make beauty accessible.
Hey guys, I'm Roxette Arisa and you are watching This Week in Beauty with IPSY. So today we are hearing from beauty boss Veronica Lorenz. She's a makeup artist and also the co-creator of the beauty blender that we all know and love. But when a tumor caused her to lose mobility in her hands, she actually began a crusade to make beauty more accessible than ever. Let's take a look.
Hi, my name is Veronica Lorenz and I am the founder of the Vamp stamp. My love of makeup started when I was actually a little girl. I took a lot of art classes and I remember being, bored at night and I would do one side of my face one way and one side the other way and I'd be like, Mom, which one do you like better? And she'd be like, they both make you look too old. Makeup was definitely a form of self-expression. I just want to make beauty accessible, and sometimes you don't have to go high tech. You can start really bringing things back down to simplicity, like just a plain old rubber stamp. The Vamp stamp came from my need to be able to still do eyeliner after my illness. When you're given lemons, you make lemonade. My illness, it sucks. It started pretty early on, and because of the type of tumor I had, it would fluctuate. It would move, so it was inside my spinal cord sort of moving around, and they call it fluctuating symptoms. So they had a hard time diagnosing me. I think I was misdiagnosed for about 8 years until it got really bad, where I was having a hard time running across the street because the signal wasn't getting down to my legs, and so I was like, whoa, like, it was weird. And I went, oh yes, you have a big tumor inside your spinal cord. And I was like, thank God they found something, because everyone was telling me I was crazy. After my first surgery, I lost the feeling in my right arm and hand, and I was right-handed, and so I taught myself to be left-handed. I went to makeup school as a left-handed person. And it's amazing how well your body adapts. And every time I got treated, you get more and more weak. And I could sort of see the writing on the wall happening with, getting weaker in my hands, losing ability. It was scary, no doubt about it, because it was starting to affect now not just my right hand, but also my left hand. And that's when I started to panic. And yeah, the fear kind of set in. I had my husband help me cut like the eyeliner shape and glued it to a pencil, and I got some ink from the art store, and voila, it worked. I was like, oh my God, it worked. I love this product because not everyone can do eyeliner the same way. I never sort of set out to make a beauty tool. I created my first sponge in makeup school. I took special effects class, and you use these orange stipple sponges, and all makeup artists cut them into their own shape, whatever shape works for them. And in class, I cut mine into a teardrop shape. My teacher said, you get an A for sponge cutting. And I thought he was being very facetious and kind of mean, but as it turns out, not so much. He was right. And then hence, Beauty Blender was invented. It was kind of surreal, to be honest. It was just sort of like my little sponge. It's very important to feel good about yourself and how you look and, have that self-confidence, and, makeup gives that to women or men too. So I feel great that I can empower other women to be able to accomplish difficult makeup tasks in a non-difficult way, because I've been there. I mean, not everyone is, a Rembrandt or what have you. So, and makeup is, it takes a lot of talent to do really well. It doesn't matter how you look, it's how you feel. And so if you feel good, you'll look good. I don't regret getting sick or anything, because I've learned a lot. And I wouldn't be where I am today if it weren't for it.
Thank you so much, Veronica, for letting us hear your story. It's so amazing to hear about your journey. So let us know in the comment section, what have you done to turn lemons into lemonade in your life? Tune in tomorrow to hear from IPSY in-house creator Michaela Klein. You may know her as Michaela K Beauty, but she has a very exciting project that she's ready to share with us. So thank you so much for watching This Week in Beauty with IPSY. I'm Roxette Arisa, and we will see you tomorrow.